alarms started beeping, and the phones kept ringing.
Ma'am, I need to ask all of you to remove yourselves from the couch at this point.
So is there anything wrong?
There's nothing wrong at this point.
We were politely asked to leave at least 8 times so they could decode messages or deal with other classified information. The officers may be young,
If you can imagine, that is being your computer is.
but the equipment is ancient. This, for example, is one of the computers that would receive a launch order from the president. It uses floppy disks, the really old, big ones. Before you got down here, you probably had never seen one.
I've never seen one until I got down in missiles.